Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet once again, it's your girl Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to do my hair in some finger coils. I went ahead and I basically just rinsed my hair off. My hair is it's pretty clean, you guys. I just put some gel on it on yesterday just to do a slick back bun. So I just rinsed it off and I put this t-shirt on my hair to help it dry. I try not to use towels anymore because I heard that it's best to use t-shirts because of the cotton. So first things first, what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm just going to kind of split my hair in four sections, if you will. And I guess I just can't talk today. So once I split it in the four sections, then we can begin our process. So this will be one. This will be another. And then I will split these in two. Actually, we can just start in the back. We'll do that. So I've just been telling myself that, you know, I haven't been really doing much to my hair and I wanted to do something a little different. I did this once before. Oh, by the way, you guys, I'm using the aloe vera juice just so that I can detangle my hair and just allow it to have a little bit of moisture. So I'm just putting that all through my hair. And then I am going to just brush it out. So once I do that, you guys, I know that gel sometimes leaves your hair a little dry. So what I want to do, I already put my aloe vera juice in there. I'm going to use a little bit of this black castor oil, simply on each section, not each piece of hair when I do my finger coil. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. And then I will be using my Eco Style Gel, you guys, the black castor and flaxseed oil. And the reason why I like to use this one when I wear my hair out, like, you know, natural or big or however you guys may want to call it, I like to use this one because it does leave my hair with a little bit of moisture and less dryness. So I'm kind of running out in this one, but I want to go ahead and just get rid of this one, and then we'll move on to this one right here. So I had to buy another one because, again, I do like to use this one simply for styles like this. So first things first, I'm just going to be using my finger to kind of split it in half. And then I'll just use this bobby pin. And I'm just going to get a handful, well, not a handful, but fingertips full of gel and just kind of glide it through my hair. Once I do that, I'm going to kind of split it and just twirl it around my finger, just like that. So my whole head is going to be just like that. And you want to try to get as close to the roots as you possibly can. Or if you want to, you guys, you can start from the bottom to the top, or you can do the top to the bottom. So if I do the bottom to the top, it'll simply just be like this, kind of like you're using a curling iron, and then, you know, you're just letting it go like that. So either way is totally fine, whichever one is best for you. So I'm basically just going to be doing this throughout the whole process. And once we're done, you guys, basically we just have to let it air dry. So I'm going to go ahead and do another part here. So we'll just kind of split that and then use this bobby pin. Okay, we'll get us some gel. that much, and glide it through all of the hair. We'll start from the bottom on this one. There we go. Let me know what you guys think. Do y'all think it's better to start from the bottom or start from the top? It honestly doesn't matter to me, but it feels like my finger kind of gets tangled up when I start from the top. And when you're doing these finger coils, you guys, you want to try to do a small piece. You don't want to do it too thick because your coil or your curl is not going to come out right. So I'm going to do about 2 more here. Actually, I can make this out of 3. And so we'll split this in 2. Start from the bottom to the top. Again, it doesn't matter. It's solely up to you. It's whatever your preference is. So we have 1 more here. Okay, so now I'm just going to try to get this section done and I'll be right back. So I am done with my first section, which I'm really proud about. And now we're gonna go ahead and move into our second section, which is gonna be this part right here. And all of the steps are pretty much consistent. I'm just going to take this hair bow off, okay? I'm gonna spray my hair with the aloe vera juice. Then we're going to just brush it out. Kind of detangle it a little bit. So now I'm going to use a little bit of the black castor oil. Just rub it through the hair. And this, by the way, smells really good, you guys. Okay, and I decided to use one of these clips instead of using the bobby pin because I feel like it's much easier. So I'm going to go ahead and split that. Put my clip right here. Grab this portion of hair, which I will be using. And we're going to cover it with the gel. Now, you guys, you can use whatever kind of gel you like, whatever is your preference, whatever kind of gel you have at home. I just really hope that you guys don't use any gel that is going to make your hair super dry and hard and brittle. So you want to be mindful of that. Now, back to the basics. We're just going to grab a piece here. Not much gel at the roots. Okay, so we'll grab that piece and get our finger coil. That's fine. And then we'll just work our way towards the front. And you guys can also make your part however you want to do it. I've seen people that have no part. I've seen people with a side part, kind of what I have. Or then you could do a middle part. You could do your part however you want to wear your finger coils. And it gets better with time too, you guys. As your hair dries, you can do more styles with it. You can be more creative with it. But for me, I'm just going to simply just, wear it down just like a little fro, if you will. And just have my side part. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue this and I'll be back. Finally done with this side of my hair. And I am really, really liking the after effect, if you will. I think the curls are very defined. The only issue I have is that my head is caked up with gel for one, which I mean is not that bad, but I can kind of see, like, you know, little spots in my hair where it's kind of like caked up with the gel. And then you guys know that I have issues with heat damage simply because when I do my sew-ins or leave-outs, you know, or U-part wigs, if you will. But I do my leave-out and I straighten this part right here. So you can simply notice the difference within the curls. The curl pattern is so much different. There's not really much curl going on over here, but I did do the finger coil, and then I tried to shrink it all up, smush it all up together just to kind of give it a little curl, but the curl pattern is totally different. But it's okay. I'm loving the way that it is looking right now. So now we're going to go ahead and move to this side. And as I've stated, this is a tedious project, okay? It's a tedious task. It's very timely, if you will. So you kind of want to set out a little time for you to do this style. So again, it's very consistent, you guys. I'm just spraying my aloe vera juice on my hair. And again, it's totally your preference. You can use whatever, you know, liquid you want to use. You can even use water. You know, you don't have to use black castor oil. You can use a different type of oil. It's so many different ways that you can do it, but this is the way that I'm doing it, and it's working out. So now I'm going to get some of my castor oil, put a little in my hand, and just kind of work my way through out this section of hair, this portion of hair, whatever. And so now we're just going to do the same thing again. You guys can watch me do a few back here, and then I will come back and show you guys the full look. So I'm just going to clip that right there. Okay, now I'm going to get my gel, and I've already finished this one right here. I'm completely done with that one. I've moved on to my next jar. So I have some gel right here, and we're just going to cover this portion right here in gel. Okay, so we'll start from the bottom and work our way to the top. And this can actually be one or two. You guys can split it in half and just do it with 2 fingers. This is a way that I've learned to kind of speed up the process by doing 2 at a time. So there we have it. That's completely done right there. We'll do another little section. And then I'll go ahead and complete everything. So we'll get our gel and just work our way through it here. We're going to curl it from the bottom onto the top. And then I'll just continue doing this process, and I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Okay guys, so now we are completely done, and I am very, very happy with the look. The only thing, you guys, that I'm worrying about is, you know, how long is it gonna take for this to dry? So I'm just going to do a little baby hair, and I'm going to use this Pro Style gel. Now this is a gel that I do not want you guys to use on your hair because it dries your hair out, okay? So I'm only going to do some baby hair, not too much, but you know, just enough. And we'll just call it quits, okay? Because this was very timely, and it took me maybe about an hour or so to do this. So I'm just going to do a little baby hair. Nothing too crazy. And then I'll do a little bit on this side simply because I just want to lay these edges down. So I'll just do that. And honestly, that is going to be it. So what I'm gonna do right now, you guys, real quick before I leave, I'm just gonna shake my hair on both sides just to kind of let them split. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in my next one.